Okay, right here I am removing this old vanity, getting ready to install a new one. So I did make a mistake too because I didn't drain all the water out of the line. And when I started taking that line off, water kind of went everywhere. So just note that always drain the water out of the line before you start taking the line off. Let's see. Same thing with this old toilet. Everything getting replaced in this bathroom. It's a small bathroom that I'm renovating. So waterproof flooring, the LVP flooring, and new vanity, new toilet. Just kind of like a light remodel.